Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Draw.io diagrams in 2026. If you've lost a diagram, accidentally deleted a file, or need to restore previous work, this guide will help you recover your diagrams step by step. First, check the folder where the diagram was originally saved. Sometimes files are moved accidentally and are still available on your device. Next, search for the file name using your computer's search feature. This can help locate diagrams that were saved in a different folder. Now check your cloud storage account if you're using Google Drive, OneDrive, or another online storage service. The file may still be available there. Next, review the trash or recycle bin in your cloud storage and on your computer. Deleted files can often be restored before they are permanently removed. If you're working with cloud storage, check the version history feature to restore an earlier version of the diagram. Now open Draw.io and look for any recently opened files that may still be accessible from the application. Next, verify that you're signed in to the correct storage account where the diagram was originally saved. If the file was shared with you, ask the owner or a collaborator whether they still have a copy available. Now create a backup of any recovered file immediately to prevent future data loss. Finally, save important diagrams regularly and keep backup copies in multiple locations for extra protection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to recover Draw.io diagrams. You should now have a better chance of restoring lost files and protecting your work in the future. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.